Hi there, in this short video I'll be showing you our brand new functionality within Nomisma CRM, which is to do with our timesheets and the ability to record time against leads, clients and contacts. So within CRM, you'll now notice that there's a timer or a stopwatch in the bottom right hand corner of every single page you're on. And by selecting it, it will come up with your timesheet. And this is where you can enter brand new timesheet entries. And then you can select who it relates to. So is it a lead, a client or a contact? And you'd be able to select the search icon in order to then select the contact or client or lead that it relates to. You can enter a description. So I could say working on year-end accounts, and then select whether or not it's billable work or non-billable. And by pressing start, it will then start the timer, and then whoever's using it can minimize it so that it's in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. That timer will then start counting, and you can begin navigating around. It will continue counting, but you could also go onto compliance, do the year-end accounts, do the bookkeeping, do the payroll, whatever you're doing, work as normal. And then once you've finished, come back to Nomisma and select the timer. You'd then be able to see the timer is going up. We can pause that and enter the description and then save. That timesheet entry has now been saved. And if you go into a lead or a client or a contact, I'll show you, you'll then be able to see all of the timesheets that have been created for that specific individual. So this is in leads. We've also got clients. So we could go into zero decks there. Oh. There you go. So my video recording technology was just in the way there. And then we can select timesheets, and the same for contacts. So Ash will go to timesheets, and then we can see it there. So this is the time that I just recorded, which is 30 seconds, year-end accounts, and it's the user is CRM support D, because that's the username that I'm logged in as. But then you'd also be able to delete these, hide them, and use this functionality in order to bill your clients. This is just phase one of many phases of development that we're going to do on this functionality, and we will be evolving this over time so that it will make it easier for you to actually bill your clients. As an example, within the client section, if we go into zero dext, we have the credit control tab here, and we will be storing the billable hours within the credit control tab so that you can see how many billable hours need to be billed, and there will be functionality to mark the hours as having been billed so that it will reduce the billable hours that you need to bill. I hope that is useful and it makes sense. If you do have any questions or queries, please do get in touch with us. Our contact details are 020 3021 2326 or support@nomisma.co.uk. Thank you. Bye.